I can't forget the time.
You know, more people are turning to plastic surgery to achieve a strong jawed look like certain celebrities.
Yes, especially since we're a much more image-driven society than we were just a few years ago. The number of people getting chin implants is growing at a much faster pace than Botox and breast augmentation.
Melissa Stern met with a local plastic surgeon to find out why chins and why now.
Dr. Bharat Shah says you can change a lot of things with diet and exercise, but the chin you're born with is the chin you're stuck with. Both men and women are getting the procedure done. When women opt to get it as they're aging and losing their facial structure, men get it for a youthful look as well, but also because a strong chin is a sign of strength. One thing everyone can agree on is there's a definite chin crease. While breast augmentation and liposuction are still the most popular cosmetic surgeries, chin implants are growing in popularity at a much faster rate.
I am getting a little older, and when I was younger, I didn't really put that much thought into it, but after I had a child and past 40, my thoughts changed.
Vincent came to the open house to learn about plastic surgery. She isn't getting a chin implant, but she says she would certainly consider it.
I've just never really been crazy about my chin, and I've been reading a lot about it, and I think maybe that could help improve my look.
Dr. Shah says although chin implants are not as well known as other procedures, it's just another way for people to achieve the look they're going for.
For a while, people didn't really know that you could get a chin implant, or they were afraid to have a chin implant. It just sounded different to them.
He says with all the technology these days, people are seeing themselves more often than in the past and are considering new options.
They notice that their appearance when they're on the computer, especially, they can now see their profile and they can see some changes that they don't like, and they see it earlier when they're Skyping their friends or they're eye-chatting their friends. And so they are more aware of it.
Dr. Shah says it isn't uncommon for people to get a chin implant along with other procedures.
It's very common to combine a rhinoplasty or a nose job with a chin implant, because then you can achieve balance between what used to be a large nose and a small chin.
Chin implants are made of solid silicone, so they're liquid but still solid.
Back when chin implants were invented, it was a tiny little round button that they would place in the same manner, but it would create a little chin that you could see, you could tell it was an implant from across the room. Now they're anatomically contoured to run across the jawline, and they're made to fit, that perfectly fit on the jawline. So it's really hard to tell if someone's had a chin implant.
And although they are growing at a rapid rate, Dr. Shah doesn't see other procedures falling behind chin implants anytime soon.
I think they'll never be more common than breast augmentation.
Dr. Shah says he has filler, so that way people can temporarily see what they would look like on themselves. And he also says that the percentage, the range of complications is in like the 1 to 2 range, so it's very, very small risk factors. And you want to know how much it'll cost to get a chin implant?
Yeah. How much would it cost to get a chin implant?
It can be as high as $4,000.
$4,000?
Are you gonna?
Guys, it's easier to grow a beard.
So what about for women? What should women do?
Hang around with guys who grow beards.
All right, you heard it here. All right, problem solved. Thanks, Melissa.